Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Happy Saturday. I'm Leslie and today I've got some home maintenance upgrades that I am making to my half bath down here. So let's take a look at things that have been placed where they're going to go. They're not necessarily in all the way. We'll have a little bit of an install together. It's going to be fun. Alright, so you've seen it before. It's just my half bath. But I decided to get rid of that pedestal sink. And I picked up this vanity. I'm going to move y'all down. It has a little drawer. Oh, there. You can just stuff a few things in there. Soft close, fabulous. And it has the underside. I have not hooked up any of the plumbing yet. That will be done. I have a 3-inch backsplash down there that I've got to put up after I hang the mirror. Oh, stop it with those fancy closings. I've installed the faucet that I bought. This mirror came with it. So I'm going to hang that. I'm going to switch out the light fixture because I just painted that one with flat black, the same as I did here. And I'm installing new black toggle switches here, or rocker switches, and then this. Wait, where's my pedestal sink? Oh, there's one piece. Oh, there's another piece. Yeah. Just going to take it to the dump along with the box from the vanity and call it a day. Alright, so what I need to do now is remove this. I want to add a little bit extra to the wire and really get a good hook on it. I just wanted to, get it in last night, and of course, whatever. Everything is fine. And I watched a YouTube tutorial on how to get a better hook on the end of you use this hole, this little itty bitty hole that nobody can see. Yeah, that one. And you just stick your wire in it and perfect. I am first going to turn the electricity off to this. The lights and this are separate, and I didn't know that. And it sparked on me. And I said, why'd that happen? And my neighbor said, oh, we did the same thing. There's a different electrical box switchy thing. Coffee. Let me just have a sip of coffee before we get started on this here electricity. Fitting. Sorry, trying to find the best place to put you so you can see. But we're doing nothing more than screwing in the little screws. Where is my better one? I went back to Home Depot and I switched the way the outlet looked. I didn't like the square. I like a traditional. So this is what I get to work in, this darkness, but I've got the light from the laundry room coming in. I'm going to take these out. I'm going to replace it with two of these black rockers and a double gang wall plate. And then I'll just go back and get another wall plate for that, and we'll be done with that part. Then I have to hang my new lights. Yay. Alright, now to test it to see if we have the wires correct. I have these. I've done these. I just have to put the cover on. So, when I'm done with this nonsense, I want to take that, I'm going to take the glass things down and try and get that round cover off. Enough to where I can wallpaper, because we're going to wallpaper this wall to hide all of the imperfections. Then I just need to connect my water lines, and I think, yeah, I'm gonna put it down in there just to be safe. Anyway, and pick it up and put it in place. But before I do that, I want to measure exactly the same distance on each side so that it's flush, and then go back there and mark on the wall, just a little pencil mark where the legs are. Pull this thing out, take my all-in-one tool or whatever it's called, and just cut away that board and trim where the two legs are. Slide it back up flush, lift it, get the pipe in, hook up the water lines. We'll be good to go. So, to recap, we're going to finish the plating. We're going to wallpaper. I'd like to have the lights on while I wallpaper, so I don't know if I'm going to switch those out first. Anyway, hang the mirror, work on the boards, work on the plumbing, and we'll be done. Let's go look at the bath wall and while we're wallpapering. So, when I moved in, they had a bolt in here and a bolt in here, and it was not in there securely. It was just there. Hope and a prayer, and the pedestal was holding up the sink basin. So I never put those back in because what was the point? And when my plumber came in, after I had the floors done, he put a whole lot of caulking. You remember all that caulking? Yeah, well, it dripped down, and now it's pulled off my wallboard. Yeah, so we're going to wallpaper over all that. Nobody will see that. And I'll probably stop right about here. But I will have to come down to there. So I'll probably just bring it down, cut a big square around there, and bring it down. But I do need to get this mirror off the wall. Here we go. Okay, one mirror off the wall. That was nothing. I wish I had taped when I took off my double vanity mirror in my bathroom all by myself. It weighs more than me. I did it, but it was a sight. Okay, it's just, you know, little girl probs. You tell me I can't do nothing, because I'm gonna do it. All right, experimenting with fun angles. How's that? Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot. Gotta get in there and loosen up that. Okay, we're gonna have to take this light bulb out right quick. Don't know which way these loosen. As I spit. So I had bought a can of black spray paint because this is actually bronze. But it is such a deep bronze that I don't think it's that big of a difference that you'll be able to tell that it's slightly brown. Will you? We don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and put it up just the way it is and save myself the spray paint. This is how spazzy we are. Great. Okay, we'll be back. And I found my little meter so I can test to make sure that there is no power coming to the wires. Nothing. All right, it is off. How'd you get it off? I cut it. All right, so that's it so far. I'm going to pull the wallpaper in and start doing that. Yay. All right, so here is the rock wallpaper. Got it at Walmart. We'll look at it better when the light is. All right, I've got the corner started. I'm going to go wash my hands. I don't want any dirt on this side because it needs to stick. And then I have my smoothie tool in my, yeah. Had to get another cutter because I can't find my cutter. It's so fantastic. Really? Now I gotta find that cut again? Look. A little bit of a bubble there. Okay. You don't have my squishy tool. And my squishy tool. Make sure I'm getting all the bubbles out. Okay. Cut that layer top off. There we go. Save that should we need it for a patch job. I love it so much. It's so awesome. I struggled real hard to get it to line up, but I got it. Oh goodness. Now I'm just trying to make sure there's no air bubbles, and then I'm going to finish the bottom part and I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, so the next step is to get the light in here, and I am going to get the panel. A real hard time putting things where they belong today, and then I have to look for them. Here's a funny story. It's right where I left it. It just happens. Alright, so let's connect our black and white wires and screw them with wire nuts, which I dropped 3 of 4 of those. 3 out of 4 have been dropped. Okay. I'm going to keep this on me in case I need, which I probably will want to. Cut down the wires. Not a need, but I might want to. Don't know. Okay. I am loving that stone. That is just fabulous. All right. Next question. Do we have them going up? Or do we have them going down? I think I want to do them down simply because that's the same arc that the faucet has. And I'm hoping it doesn't look quite as brown. All right, light has been installed. It is a very dark bronze and it almost looks black to me. So I'm fine with it just the way it is. Don't you think that's like a very deep bronze, almost black? You can't tell, and it matches the wallpaper, and it's just fabulous. Ah! All right, now I want to put in the vanity. No, I want to cut the, hold on, let me get the picture of it. I did a patch job around the pipes, just so there would be something. But I am going to cut, ooh, what was that? I am going to cut right here, and right here, and right here, and right here, and put the vanity in so that it's flush to the wall. It'll come up probably to about right here. And I'll hang my mirror, and it's going to be so beautiful, and I can't wait. Okay, let's go get my everything tool, and first I need to sweep in here again, but get my everything tool or all-in-one tool or whatever it's called, and cut the wall. All right, I'm going to sweep up this floor, place the vanity, and hope that it's good enough. All right, been doing this all day long. Hold on, don't want to crack my new sink. So I switched the electric, I hung this, I hung a towel rack. I have not finished the plumbing because the plumbing never works for me because I have no idea what I'm doing. I just try things until it works. Whatever. But right now, I've put one wall anchor in. I'm going to get the second one in. And we'll hang the mirror. My hands, my back, my body, it all hurts, okay? Sorry that the lighting is so drastic, but, you know, whatever. It is what it is for right now. Keep putting my tools away. I said maybe I can keep up with my tools. I know it's 11 o'clock at night. I hope I don't wake people. This is the last thing I'm doing tonight. Last thing I am doing tonight. Oh, which ones these? All right. Maybe Jenna will want to go to the pool tomorrow and I can relax because I've worked all day. She told me today, hold on, Jenna told me today, she said, you are a power woman or something, I don't know what she said. And I was like, what are you talking about? And she said, it took us 2 weeks to put in the new Vanity and for me to put up wallpaper and to and just do all. I was like, oh no, this is pure mental illness, okay? Obsessive. This is the epitome of obsessive compulsive disorder where you get fixated on something. You've got your vision, you got to do it. You can't stop till it's done. And it is a problem. Alright, let's hang the mirror. Get them in there that easily? Okay. Let's tighten that a little bit more. Shall I put them in a little bit further? I feel like I shall. Oh, good Lord, please don't break this, Leslie. Oh my God. Nothing that I'm doing is a one-person job. Here I am. Okay. Gonna be hurting tomorrow. Where is it? Oh, Lord. Bring them out a little bit more. That's It's not working. My muscles are so, oh God, my muscles are so tired. I can't lift anything anymore. Oh, there we go. All right. Now, she looking good. She looking good. I am so exhausted, I'm nauseous. Of course, it could be the half pizza I just ate, but whatever, I haven't eaten all day. All right, now, use a dog's toy, whatever, it's fine. Got a vacuum and mop in here anyway. Okay. Mirror is hung. That is hung. Done, done, done. Okay, so the two things that I have left for tomorrow are to attach this to the wall. It's just a backsplash. And it will go against the wall, just like that. And just adds a little something to it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye.